This is Gouda cheese. Gouda.
Gouda.
And Gouda means round and flat. It's the form of the cheese. First things we do, we milk our cows. We put the milk in the tub, heat it up to 29 degrees, and we add two products. The first is rennet. Rennet is to make the milk thick like yogurt. The second we add is bacterial culture for the flavor. I don't know exactly what it is, it's a family secret. I did not marry the farmer, I don't know the secrets. Then we have here a couple of knives. They're turning around in the tub and they are cutting and mixing the milk in very small pieces. Then we heat for the second time. 36 degrees, we cut for the second time. Here you see the result. Small pieces of cheese, 10% cheese, 90% whey. The whey, the liquid, we give it back to the calves, they drink it, so we recycle. The cheese we take out, which is for, we do everything by hand, so we take it out like this. Then what is left is the cheese. It's for 1 kilo piece. To make 1 kilo of cheese we need 10 liters of milk. A lot of milk for one cheese. Then you see on the cheese label, and it's a square label. Is it here? No. Somebody took my label. Where is it? No, I don't know. This is square label. Square means farmer cheese. Round label is factory cheese. Then we put all the cheese under the press, altogether 5 hours. After that we take the cheese out in a big bath with salt and water. 1 kilo piece, 1 day in salt water. 2 kilo pieces, 2 days. 3 kilo pieces, 3 days. 10 kilo, how many days?
10 days.
5 days. Easy way, right? 5 days is maximum. After that we take the cheese out, we dry the cheese, and you see the outside, it's paraffin to protect the cheese, that it's not drying out. And we put it over the cheese with a sponge, liquid paraffin. After a day it's got hard, and then it's to protect it. Then we store them behind you for a long ripening period, 2 months. After 2 months the cheese is ready. Very good cheese. Very important that you don't put farmer cheese in the fridge. India, hot climate, but for the cheese it's better outside, because when you put it in the fridge the cheese becomes hard and dry, flavor will disappear. So we always keep it outside. A lot of people from India are vegetarian. Yes. For vegetarian people we can offer you the smoked cheese, because this is completely vegetarian rennet. This is non-veg rennet. You know that?
Yes,
very good.
We wanted to ask you.
Oh, don't ask again. So the smoked cheese you don't put in the fridge. After opening you can keep it 30 days. If you don't open it you can take it all the way to India and you can keep it 1 year. Okay?
If we resist for 1 year. So does it mean in the cheese you add something ingredient?
Yeah, rennet. It's from non-veg.
Non-veg?
Yeah.
So,
but we don't put that in the smoked cheese.
So what proportion of that is in the normal cheese? For 1%? Less than 1%?
Something like that, but it's from... Cheese! Yeah. Okay.
Mommy, show me the photo.